And like you said, it's really have been a very long, tedious day. But for those who understood what the court had done, will appreciate the colossal sacrifice that the justices have done to ensure that justice is done in all the matters that were presented before the court. Now, all appeals have been taken, argued by both sides, and then judgments reserved. As soon as the judgments are ready, the court will summon us to come and hear what the verdicts are. But I have always said and maintained that it's very important for our judges to understand that any attempt to bring politics into our courts or to take our courts into the political arena will spell doom for democracy, will spell doom for administration of justice in this country. I'm happy that from their disposition, this panel of the Court of Appeal, having listened attentively and carefully to all the issues that had been carefully raised by counsel, will do justice to the cases that had been argued. For us, we believe in the rule of law. We believe that our complaints that courts have no business in meddling into political party affairs will be settled once and for all by the Court of Appeal in line with the position that had been taken by the Supreme Court and then maintained and repeated over and over again in several landmark decisions of that court. And at the end of the day, it is democracy that will be the better for it. But let me also add that Nigeria has grown so much and so well that nobody can force one-party system on us.
National Chair, sir, what are your firm expectations from today's proceeding?
My firm expectation from the way the matters have been argued in line with our argument, even in the lower court, is that justice will be done. Justice will be done according to law. And by the special grace of God, PDP will come out stronger, bigger, and better.
For the patients, for their time. It's not easy. We here since 9:30 in the morning. It's about almost 10 hours we were sitting, not even going and coming in. So, and I also want to commend our own lawyers. They have shown what law is all about. They have spoken law, and I believe that we expect good judgment. You know, and that whatever happens, what is important is that PDP must be together. Our job on this side, those of us who have been here, our interest is to rebuild our party, to make sure our party is united. It's not about grandstanding. If the judgment comes in our favor, we won nobody. PDP has won. The PDP faithfuls have also won. So we believe and ask God to make sure that this peace that is coming to PDP now will be sustained. Amen. And I pray that those of us who have been moving like pendulum swinging left and right should try and come back. Let us build our party. I always preach peace, unity of the party. Nobody owns the party. It's a quality property of our members. Thank you.
Thank you very much.